Okay, big day for the LR3 today. We got a Terrafirma roof rack. Why I went with the Terrafirma is I think it's really good looking. It's just as good looking as the Pro Speed or the Voyager one, and it's considerably cheaper. I did have it shipped to North Carolina, so it cost about $200 in shipping. But this is what you get. You get this box that's been covered with this plastic, white plastic. So we're gonna open it up and put it on today. All right, so I got the white off and maybe upside down. So we gotta get the cardboard off now. All right, it was not upside down, and this is what we got. Nice. So one of the reasons I like this is it goes along with the curve of the LR3's roof line. The Discovery line has always had a stair step roof, so I like that it's not a straight rack, but it contours to the roof. All right, first impressions. Looks like it's well made. It's light, but seems strong. The paint is nice. Does not seem to be any type of instructions at all. So, guess we're gonna have to learn how to do this ourselves. So here's the hardware they give you. They give you two of these little small black things, six of these, two of the long screws, six of these medium, six of the short ones, and 8 of these washers. Again, no instructions, so guess we got to figure it out ourselves. Okay, so there's 4 anchoring points. One right here, one right here, here, and then down there. You just have to take these little plugs out. One was actually already cracked a little bit. And there's a screw down there. So you just take out the old screw, and then the new screw is gonna hold the roof rack to there and do double duty, hold this this thing back, to the car. This one, don't try to just pull it out, but I believe it unscrews. So I was trying to pull it out for the longest time. It actually unscrews. Yeah. I think you are going to need a little pick. So this screw is kind of got some dirt in there. Just kind of get it out of there. Looks like a Torx. So let's get a Torx screwdriver and take it on out. All right, so this is gonna take me a little longer. When you take out the 3 bolts here, I actually did use some penetrating lube. You're gonna probably just want to go ahead and clean off that trough in there. It was just filthy, so that just takes a little longer. And then run some the new bolts down there in these threads, just to kind of chase anything out of there. Okay, so I got the roof rails all cleaned up, taken off. What I think is if you don't have this part on your car, this is what you need to use, because it offsets this. But for the roof rack to sit flat right here, you have these. So they give you 6 of these, 3 for each side. Now the interesting thing is there's not a lot, that lip is not that big right there, but I think that's how the roof rack's going to sit directly on there. So we're going to try that. So I was thinking you needed to use both of these, but I'm thinking no. Again, this just kind of is the same height as this. So I'm thinking we don't use this if you've got this piece. All right, so these fit in here really nicely. This up here, this lip's bigger. I don't know why Land Rovers does this slip so much bigger. I don't know why that is. And then this one holds in there really nice. So this slip's not that big. But I got all that done. So we're gonna see how this works. All right, that was a mistake. You do not need to take this off. Just put these, if you've got this rail, just put these little things right over the other screw, and then you can just put the rack right on top of it. All right, so we got it on. So if you do have the rail right here, again, you don't have to take it off. The long screws and the little spacer right here, and then this just, you put in those little metal things with the springs going down to give you another location, and you have 3 of those on each side. You will need a 4mm Allen wrench like this. You can use a bit for a screwdriver right there, or a wrench, a socket wrench, but for here you're not going to have access because of this bar. So you are going to need a 4mm. I like it's nice. It's got 4 locations for lights, a location here on the side for a light, location right here on the rear for a light, and another one on the side. So and I like the design, how it contours with the shape of the body of the LR3 Discovery 3. Hopefully this helps someone else.